As the curtains close on the 8th Shalamar Surgical Symposium, we reflect on a resounding success that has left an indelible mark on the landscape of surgical excellence. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the administration, Principal SMDC, Chief Operating Officer, and the entire organizing committee for their unwavering dedication and meticulous planning. From enlightening sessions to enriching workshops, the symposium was a testament to the collaborative spirit and thirst for knowledge within the surgical community. We express our deepest appreciation to our sponsors, exhibitors, and esteemed attendees whose support and participation were instrumental in making this event a resounding success. Thank you for being part of this remarkable journey towards advancing surgical care. We look forward to continuing our shared pursuit of excellence in the future.